Hey everybody, it's David Allen. I'm a special ed consultant for the Hardin County Schools. I'm going to show you how to quickly record yourself in Hangouts Meet. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to navigate to meetgoogle.com. You will get to this page right here. Now your background may be a little differently, but everything else should look the same. We're going to start a meeting. I'm going to name mine Test. You name yours, whatever makes sense to you that you can remember to get back to it if you need to. Go ahead and continue. I'm going to come to this page right here. It's going to tell me my microphone is ready, my camera is ready. My camera will fail because I'm using another application. Your camera should work and your white light should come on. So I'm going to go ahead and join now. Since I'm only recording this, I'm not going to worry about the URL to give to anybody else. On your screen here, you will see down here in the left-hand corner kind of some information about what this session is. You have your microphone, so you can turn your microphone on, turn your microphone off. You can turn your camera on, turn your camera off. This telephone icon is to leave the call. You can turn captions on. One thing I will warn you about is when you turn captions on is captions in Google are not 100% accurate. It is AI. So sometimes what you say is not what comes up. And also students will not see it like this. They will have to turn the captions on in whatever application they're viewing your recording in. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the captions off. You have your Present Now button. You can click here. You can present your entire screen or just a window. And on the far right, you have your snowman, your three dots. I'm going to go to the very top and I'm going to record the meeting. This box, this pop-up here, was just basically telling you if you have, if you're doing a hangout and other people are there, you need to let them know that you're recording it. Since it's only us, I'm just going to click OK. You're going to get a warning here that recording will start soon. In the top left, when that goes red and you hear the ding, that means you are recording. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lesson, give my lecture, and when I'm done, I'm going to go back to the snowman. I'm going to stop recording. It will tell me I'm stopping my recording and then it's going to my drive. So I've stopped recording. Over here you got stopped recording, and then I'm going to leave the call. So when you go to your drive, I want to recent. Here is the file. Now it will take a minute or two for it to render. Or when it's ready, you can right click on it. You can go ahead and go to share. You can get your shareable link. You might want to go to advanced and change and make sure that anybody with the link can view it, because not everybody will be on their Gmail account. And so when you have done all that, you can go ahead and put this into your Google Classroom. You can put it into a doc and hyperlink it. You can put it into a slide. You can email it home. So however you want to get the information to the student, that would be up to you. But since it's a URL, you can send them the link. If you need anything, just give me a holler. I'll talk to you later. Bye.